Temu coupons. How do they really work in 2025? So in this video, I will break down how Temu's coupon system saves you money. So make sure to like and subscribe. So there are several kinds of coupons. The welcome coupons, limited time discounts, referral bonuses, and product specific coupons. And then you will find the coupons on the homepage, in product listings, in pop-up offers, or under your account's coupons section. And then Temu often allows stacking, meaning that you can apply a site-wide coupon on top of product level discounts, giving huge savings. And after that, during checkout, Temu will usually auto-apply the best coupon available, but you can also tap to change and manually select a different one. And then, most coupons have expiration dates or minimum purchase amounts, and be sure to check these before relying to another one. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.